case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 2003 legal case of Egerer vs. CSR West, LLC took center stage over a breach of contract concerning a land development undertaking. Egerer, the plaintiff, had signed an agreement with CSR in 1995, enlisting their services to supply fill material for the constructing venture on his property. For reasons outside of Egerer's control, CSR delivered a lower-grade substitute before abandoning the project entirely in 1997, pivoted to sell the excavated materials to the government. To rectify the situation, Egerer independently acquired the much-needed fill from a nearby landslide. The situation fueled Egerer's decision to sue CSR for breach of contract in 1999, seeking to regain the difference between the contracted price and the market value of the fill at the time of breach. Relying on the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, the lower court came to a resolution based on concrete evidence provided, concluding that Egerer was indeed owed this difference. Upon appeal, the court affirmed the original judgment, relying on UCC 2-723, which consequentially allowed for a varied market price based on the quality of goods. Further, the decision to award Egerer prejudgment interest from the time of breach was also validated by UCC 2-713. The enforcement of these codes served as a preventive measure, dissuading sellers from recklessly breaking contracts in favor of rising markets. Although Egerer's fight for compensation enjoyed victories, not all his claims were granted. The court dismissed his call to include sales tax in the damage calculation and rejected his plea for consequential damages such as lost rents for a period of 24 months. The denial was rationalized on the basis that CSR had not been informed about Egerer's development plans, prospective tenants, or a timeline for development at the time of contract signing. This lack of information, the court held, exempted CSR from covering these ensuing damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.